let's start at my favorite tool to track your income and your expenses, and that's called Wave Apps. The reason that I love Wave so much, it's because it's this really thorough accounting software and it's 100% free. And let's hop into Wave and I'll show you a little bit about how this works exactly. And notice that my login details are already pulled up. Thank you, LastPass. But I'm going to create a free account with you and we're going to pretend like we're starting this from scratch. So you can either sign up on your own or you can log in through Google. So when you're signing up for a new account, Wave will ask you a couple questions about your business, like what the name of it is and what exactly you do. I'm just going to go ahead and put accountant. So right off the bat, Wave asks us, what do we want to focus on first? We can focus on our invoices, we can focus on tracking our expenses and our income, and you'll even see an option here that says set up and run your first payroll. I do want to make you aware that if you do opt for something for payroll, which many of you probably won't need because chances are you don't have a team of other VAs or subcontractors working underneath you. But if you do and you want to set up a payroll, you do have to upgrade to a paid account. Now, having said that, if you are your own independent VA, you don't need to worry about that. So the free account is more than robust enough to take care of your needs. So let's go ahead and click on Organize Your Finances because I want to show you exactly what the income and expense tracker looks like. So first and foremost, you've got a couple options. Number one, and I recommend you do this, is connect Wave to your bank accounts. Having a powerful tool that can track income and expenses for you like this is a lifesaver. Now, in a real-world example, had I linked this to my bank accounts, you would automatically see all of my income and my expenses. Now, I'm not going to show you my personal expenses for this particular course, but under Dashboard is where you'd be able to see all of your ongoing financial statements. Now, the most important thing and one of my favorite things about Wave is this Reports tab under here. What's so handy about Reports is that this allows you to generate income reports that are super handy for things like tax season. Now, some of this verbiage may seem a little overwhelming at this point in time, but I promise you the more time you spend using Wave, the easier it will become. And when it is time to pay your estimated taxes or your quarterly taxes as a freelancer, Wave is going to be your best friend because these reports are going to help you pull exactly how much money you made for a certain number of months. And from there, you can deduce the 30% that you owe if you live in the United States. And not only can you generate profit and losses, that's your income and your expenses, but you can also break things down by customer. So this is really handy too because it allows you to track exactly how much money you've made if you have different clients. And again, Wave is completely free, and something else that they do that I really enjoy through their free app is that they have a really great customer service. Something else that I love that Wave does so much is the option to accept payments. Now, I know we just talked about accepting payments through Harvest, and the truth is you have a couple options when it comes to getting paid by your clients. I want you to go over what's best for you, whether you want to accept payments through something like Harvest or whether you want to accept payments through something like Waves. There are two ways that you can get paid on Wave. The first is to accept credit cards, and be aware that every time you swipe your client's credit cards, you're going to get hit with a 2.9% surcharge, meaning they're going to charge you for the convenience of you using their technology. And something else you can do, move my face over here, is accept bank payments. And be aware here that you'll get hit with a 1% charge for the convenience of using this service, and it also takes 1 week for the money to clear. Personally, I do not use Wave payments. I do use Wave to track my income and my expenses, but I find the 7-day waiting period to be a little too long for me, and in a future lecture, I'll talk to you about what I use and different ways that you can talk to your clients about getting paid faster.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our full course on Udemy, the must-have tools for virtual assistants. The full course comes with over 2.5 hours full of tutorials that are on demand. Be sure to check it out up on Udemy, search for must-have tools for virtual assistants, or go ahead and look up our account under F the Office.